With Apple's September 9th event just around the corner, the excitement is building. But with two flagship models to choose from, which one should you opt for, the iPhone 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max? Let's dive in and explore the latest rumors and upgrades. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to boast a powerful second-gen 3nm chip, dubbed Apple A18 Pro, built on TSMC's advanced N3E manufacturing process. This means faster performance, better efficiency, and a seamless user experience. But that's not all. The new ultra-wide camera, larger display, and capture button are set to take your mobile photography to the next level. But what about the iPhone 16 Pro? Will it be worth the investment? With a potentially lower price point and similar features, it's definitely a contender. Let's weigh the pros and cons and help you make an informed decision. The Apple A18 Pro chip is built on TSMC's advanced N3E manufacturing process, offering better yield and fewer defective chipset dies. But what does this mean for performance? With dual 4 GHz performance cores, quad efficiency cores, and a powerful hexa-core GPU, this chip is set to deliver. But with the Apple A17 Pro already providing lightning-fast performance, the real question is, how will the A18 Pro improve energy efficiency? That's right, energy efficiency is the new benchmark. With the A18 Pro's advanced NPU for on-device AI processing, we can expect significant improvements in battery life. With a much improved neural engine, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to take generative AI features to the next level. Plus, with Wi-Fi 7 support, you can enjoy lightning-fast data speeds, up to 4x faster than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But that's not all. The Qualcomm Snapdragon X75 5G modem ensures efficient energy consumption, making your battery last longer. iOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence, a game-changing AI framework that enhances Siri's capabilities and integrates AI-driven features seamlessly. With on-device AI processing in Apple's silicon-powered cloud servers, you can expect a whole new level of performance and efficiency. Imagine crafting personalized media with AI-powered object removal and memory creation in the Photos app. Or enjoy seamless RCS messaging between iOS and Android devices. iOS 18 takes customization to the next level with freely movable icons, a multi-page control center, and flexible dark mode options. But that's not all. Accessibility features get a boost with vocal shortcuts, eye tracking, and music icons. And with Apple's collaboration with OpenAI, ChatGPT integration is set to redefine mobile AI technology. Get ready for more intuitive and personalized interactions. So, what do you think about the latest iOS 18 updates? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates and reviews. See you in the next video.